faking you, it's so curly. Kissing my face, you're amazing. Just way too often, give me that look. Now I'm dead, put me in a coffin. Yeah, you keep me up at night. La-di-da-di-da-di, watching movies black and white. La-di-da-di-da-di, when I see you overjoyed. I'm your Paris, you're my Helen, yeah, we safe in Troy. La-di-da-di-da-di. Rosie, sweet Rosie, you carry me through every storm. Rosie, sweet Rosie, oh, won't you wait for me tonight? Now every evening I'm working, I never see you. Why can't I work where I need? They still wanna be you. Counting the hours till I'm home. I should just say fuck it there, quit my job, now I'm broke. Never easy does it. Yeah, you keep me up at night. La-di-da-di-da-di, watching movies black and white. La-di-da-di-da-di, when I see you overjoyed. I'm your Paris, you're my Helen, yeah, we safe in Troy. La-di-da-di-da-di. Rosie, sweet Rosie, you carry me through every storm. Rosie, sweet Rosie, oh, won't you wait for me tonight?
What is up, guys? I went on Amazon. I ordered me some mud flaps. These things are gonna look absolutely awesome on the Challenger. I think it's gonna add a little bit of pop. I think it'll be great. Full send or no send, right?
Rosie, sweet Rosie, you carry me through every storm. Rosie, sweet Rosie, oh, won't you wait for me tonight? Every morning you wake me, it's way too early, but I don't care, you're not faking, you head so curly. Kissing my face, you're amazing. Just way too often, give me that look. Now I'm dead, put me in a coffin. Yeah, you keep me up at night. La-di-da-di-da-di, watching movies black and white. La-di-da-di-da-di, when I see you overjoyed. I'm your Paris, you're my Helen, yeah, we safe in Troy. La-di-da-di-da-di. Rosie, sweet Rosie, you carry me through every.
I've got just this one in, and already, dude, this is looking so good. So good. That should be all we need. On the other side, I only needed to do these two, and honestly, it was still super sturdy after just these two nuts. Oh my god. This thing is all coming together. It looks so good. As soon as I get those front ones on, dude, it's gonna look amazing. So all I'm doing, I'm putting two bolts and there's nuts on the other side, just screwing them in. There's another hole, but there's no factory hole there. And I mean, this thing is way sturdy enough. So underneath the car, all I did was I put in those screws from the outside. I just put in a washer and a nut, and I just tightened them down, and then I used the Phillips head screwdriver from the outside to tighten it even more. If I find out that it's flapping or anything, or if I don't know if I can hear it or if it gets loose, I'll eventually put another bolt in there inside of that hole, maybe drill an extra hole, but for now, this thing is held on pretty darn good. So I'm gonna go work on the front side. Alright, so I got this first one on. I reused the same push clip that they had. I used the same bolts that came on it. It just bolted right onto there. And I mean, right now it's pretty sturdy. There's this last one that you need to drill a hole for. I'm not too experienced with that. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I think it looks pretty good even without that last one. I mean, if it bothers me too much, I'll go ahead and drill a hole, or I'll get someone to do it. But I think right now it looks pretty damn good. Other side is gonna be the same exact thing. I'm gonna be using the same 2 bolts and the same exact push clip. All right, so the same thing for this side. The 2 factory bolts that go on there, and then the factory push clip. I'm just gonna use those. You do have to drill a hole on this side as well. And there you go. There's the aftermarket mud flaps for the Dodge Challenger. I think this thing looks way better. So much more clean. Just adds a little bit more style to the car. Very happy with these. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'll put right here a picture of what the page looks like, just so that you know you're buying the right ones. Alright, I hope you guys liked the video. I did forget to do one thing. Last video, and I know, trust me, this paper is just looks like garbage, but so I did do the black fuel cap, so I'm gonna cross that off. And I just got the mud flaps finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill that out. I do have a couple more things on the way, and just gonna keep you guys updated. So thanks for watching, guys.